How to get eBay refund without returning. To get an eBay refund without returning the item, the outcome depends on specific criteria met during a dispute or an agreement directly negotiated between the buyer and the seller. So, the sellers frequently prefer to abandon an item rather than pay for return shipping if the product is cheap, fragile, or broken beyond the repair. So, open an official return request in your purchase history. Launch the application, tap on this My eBay panel from the bottom navigation bar, head to the purchase section, then locate that specific product. You simply have to tap on it. From there, select the arrived damaged or doesn't match the description option, message the seller via the request dashboard and include clear photos of the defect. The seller can select the offer a full refund option while leaving the item in your possession to avoid return logistics cost. If the item is prohibited or counterfeit, eBay enforces strict buyer protection rules regarding the counterfeit merchandise or illegal items. So all you have to do is, if you receive fake item, open a return using the reason doesn't seem authentic. Once you do so, you should be able to get refund without returning the item itself. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.